Alright, this is the second half of the video. I got my exhaust done on this truck and it sounds awesome. Went to Charlie's in I think it's Sunset, Utah, and they did 2.5-inch dual. I didn't do an H-pipe or anything. I kept it kind of cheaper by going with the Flowmaster knockoffs, but they did a pretty good job. I might still put some tips on it. You can see it coming out right there. They did a good job. Put some nice hangers on it. There's the exhaust underneath. It comes down to the header. And it sounds a whole lot better. I love the way it sounds. So this truck has got a 400 in it. Small block Chevy, and it's by no means very powerful at all. So I just kind of did it for the sound, make it look nicer. So let's start it up. Sounds a lot better.